see your class, you can see that I have for my course card, for biology, there's a baby turtle right now, and then for earth science, there's like a falling glacier, and then over here there is a for my college online, something from Monsters University. So say for my elective auto shop, I wanted this picture to not be there, but instead say I wanted it to be moving just to catch the student's eye. What you can do is click into the course and go down to settings, and then you're going to go to this course card, and you're going to choose image. So then you can upload an image, and we've looked at that before, but I'm going to go over to my favorite Giffy place, which I just use this one, Giffy, because it has a lot of free things that you can just take. And here's all these things under mechanic that I found. And like this one's kind of interesting because the guy, starts doing one thing and the whole thing falls apart. That would be funny for kids to see. This guy is maybe kind of cool because he's like getting on like an under the car, really cool. Look at that, it's really awesome. So say I wanted to use one of these. What I would do is I'm going to save image as. You can't just upload a video, it has to be an image, but Giphies can be saved as a picture. So this works. So I'm just going to write Autoshop, and I'm going to put it, just because I'm going to use downloads folder, and I'm going to not save it. Oh, I'm going to make sure that it's saved as a GIF. So actually this one is not saving as a GIF. So I'm going to click on it further, and I'm going to see if there's another way that I can save this. And when I clicked on it, you'll see that before it didn't have the option to save as a GIF image, and now it does. The only thing I did different was to click the picture, so it was the only one on the page. So instead of saving it from here, I just moved it, clicked on it, and then I had different save options. Why that is, I'm unsure. I can't tell you that, but it solves my problem either way. So I'm going to go to a GIF image, then it's saving as an image, and I'm going to save it in my downloads just so it shows up down here on my docket. And then I'm going to go back to my course, I apologize, my Canvas course, and I'm going to upload my image right here. And now my course card is appearing here, but remember on this page it's one that you do have to hit update course details. It's like your save button. Some pages on Canvas have a save button, some do not. But now the students will see that. So when I go back to my dashboard, now my AutoShop course has a moving course card. And again, I think I've said this in another video, but if your course cards look something like this, okay, where they're kind of colored with this like colored overlay that makes it hard to see, you can just come up here to the top and hit remove color overlay. Unfortunately, it defaults to that way for all students, so you kind of have to tell the students to go up and do that too. That's just something that makes sure the classes look better. To me anyways, I don't like the overlay. Okay, that's it. Have fun with that one.